You love all that posh life and all that good stuff. I'm like, yes, girl. It's for you.
Cute.
Things I didn't learn in esthetician school part 12, which I hate to admit, but today we are going to go over how to do a Brazilian wax. And no, this is not something I learned in school. So think about the body being symmetrical. Whatever you do on one side, you're going to mirror it on the other. And this keeps your pattern predictable and prevents you from getting lost in your service. So I start by laying one inner thigh strip and then I move on to one labia. I like to do them opposite because you don't want your strips to touch at the bottom and create one big mess. So once I remove those, I go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. One inner thigh strip and then one labia. Once I lay those and remove them, I do go ahead to the top section, which I divide into two parts, and I wax and remove those separately. Now, let me know in the comments below if you guys ever went over Brazilians, and do you feel like you mastered them by the time you graduated from school?